Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bima Nugroho. I am from C class. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to tell you about word formation. Okay, inside word formation, there is cognate. What is cognate? Cognate is the word formation process in which a new word is created either deliberately or accidentally without using the other word. Formation processes and often word seemingly nothing. Okay, the example in Indonesia dari Knight, yaitu ada pasta gigi. Nah, pasta gigi itu biasa orang-orang menyebutnya dengan Pepsodent, pompa air. Biasa orang-orang menyebutnya dengan Sanyu. Nah, that one is Knight. Okay, the second is about borrowing. Borrowing is a form that has spread from one linguistic variety the source into another variety. Oke, jadi borrowing ini peminjaman kata. That one. Nah, adapun contoh dari kata borrowing yaitu pizza, that's from Italy, and then hamburger. Okay, that one. Okay, next is conversion. Okay, what is conversion? Conversion is change function of word. As for example, when a noun comes to be used as a verb without any reduction. Okay. Oke, contoh dari conversion is I need the butter of bread to eat. Jadi aku membutuhkan mentega roti untuk ini. Dan juga we need the bottle of water now. I'm thirsty. Aku membutuhkan sebotol air sekarang. Aku haus. Oke, yang selanjutnya ada blending. Okay, blending is different from compounding process that is joining two separated words into a single form. Blending process has a little bit difference. Blending process is the way of creating new word with combining two separated forms of words to produce a single new term. Oke, contoh dari blending is brunch. Ya. Jadi brunch itu gabungan dari kata brunch and lunch. Jadi sarapan dan juga makan siang. The example, I don't get breakfast, but I will take the brunch. That one, that's the example. Okay, for the next is clipping. What is clipping? This one. Clipping is the process of reducing the elements of word. This process occurs when a word of more than one syllable is reduced into a certain form. Oke, contoh dari clipping dalam bahasa Indonesia yaitu ada promo atau promosi. Nah, itu arti dari promosi. And then gun bisa ke juragan. And then bisa nego, itu artinya negosiasi. Itu contoh dari kata clipping. Okay, for the next is compounding. Okay, what is compounding? Okay, compounding process as the way of creating new word with joining of two separate word into a single form to describe something new. Okay, the example of compounding is work plus room, workroom. Nah, bisa ditambah. And then note and book digabung jadi notebook. Jadi dua kata yang berbeda arti ketika disamakan bisa menjadikan arti tersendiri. Itu dari compounding. Okay, and the next is back formation. Okay, what is back formation? Okay, back formation is specialist type of reduction process, typical a word of one type. Okay, the example, the word babysitter becomes babysit, and the word donation becomes a verb donate. Nah, itu untuk in Englishnya. Oke, contoh dari back formation in Indonesia ada edit. Nah, edit jadi dari kata editor. Dan juga ada kata from, count from uncount. Nah, itu contoh kata dari back formation. Okay, and then the next is acronym and abbreviation. Okay, the researchers found 5 brand names formed by acronym and abbreviation. The brand names are classified into acronyms since the abbreviation of the brand names can be pronounced as words. Contoh dari kata akronim is WHO. Nah, itu singkatan dari awal katanya, yang berarti World Health Organization. Jadi ada banyak, ada PMI, Palang Merah Indonesia, NKRI, Negara Kesatuan Republik Indonesia. That's the example of acronym and abbreviation. Okay, because the time is limited, I hope you can understand what I say. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.